hypothetical scenario proposed by Peter Schiff, if all publicly traded US companies sold their assets, shut down operations, and invested everything in Bitcoin, each Bitcoin would skyrocket in value, making everyone rich. Schiff humorously engages with various replies, including comments about the impracticality and absurdity of such an idea. Some speculate on similar actions by central banks, while others note that only Bitcoin holders would truly benefit. The conversation highlights the ongoing debate and fascination with Bitcoin's potential impact on the economy and individual wealth.